Hello everyone, in this video we have to evaluate 2 to the power 11 plus 4 to the power 11 plus 8 to the power 11 by 8 to the power 11 minus 1. Solution will be, here we have been given that 2 to the power 11 plus 4 to the power 11 plus 8 to the power 11 by 8 to the power 11 minus 1. This equals to 2 to the power 11 plus 4 can be written as 2 square, so we can write this as 2 square whole to the power 11 plus 8 can be written as 2 cube, so we can write this as 2 cube whole to the power 11 by, again here also 8 to the power 11 can be written as 2 cube whole to the power 11 minus 1. This equals to 2 to the power 11 plus, now by using exponential rule, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power m times n equals to a to the power n whole to the power m. So we can write this as 2 to the power 11 whole square plus, we can write this also as 2 to the power 11 whole cube by, we can write this also as 2 to the power 11 whole cube minus 1. Now taking 2 to the power 11 equals to a, we can write the above equation as a plus a square plus a cube by a cube minus 1. Now this 1 can be written as 1 cube. Now in the numerator, a is common factor in each of the terms, so taking out common factor from each of the terms from the numerator, we can write this as a times 1 plus a square by, now we will factorize a cube minus 1 cube using algebraic formula, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write this as a minus 1 times a square plus a times 1 plus 1 square. This equals to a times, we can write this as a square plus a plus 1 by a minus 1 times a square plus a times 1 is a plus 1 square is 1. Now in both the numerator and denominator we have common factor a square plus a plus 1. So in both the numerator and denominator a square plus a plus 1 will be cancelled out. This equals to a by a minus 1. This equals to, earlier we have taken 2 to the power 11 as a, so we can write this as 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 11 minus 1. This equals to 2 to the power 11 can be written as 2 to the power 10 times 2 by, here also 2 to the power 11 can be written as 2 to the power 10 times 2 minus 1. This equals to 2 to the power 10 is 1024 times 2 by 1024 times 2 minus 1. This equals to 1024 times 2 will be 2048 by 1024 times 2 will be 2048 minus 1. This equals to 2048 by 2048 minus 1 will be 2047. Therefore, 2 to the power 11 plus 4 to the power 11 plus 8 to the power 11 by 8 to the power 11 minus 1 equals to 2048 by 2047. This is your solution.